So I've been gone for a while. A lot has happened. I don't want to talk about it right now, but I will one day. So let's do a small business unboxing. I don't want to murder this name, but I want to say it's Yemoja Artistry. This is Vanessa. She's cool as hell. But yeah. I haven't done unboxings because I don't know. Oh, this is pretty. I like this bag. And I'm sorry if I get your pronouns wrong. I think I got a little necklace. Oh. Ooh. This is pretty. If I could get it untangled. She makes pretty stuff. Very. Which one is my camera? You know what? I'm done. I quit. But very pretty. Thank you, Vanessa. I love you. I should put it on. I guess my double chin looks fucking terrible. Oh my god. Someone dragged me to the gym. I don't got any fingernails because I bit them off. So let's see how this is gonna go. I love it. It's perfect. I love this little bag. Thanks. Oh, I got my hair dyed black. And I got bangs. But I'm not feeling them today. They're just here. This one is from the Thrifty Witch. It is amber. I think I ordered lip scrub, but I don't remember. Ooh, I got a little candy. Yes. We gotta open the envelope first, because if we don't, then I won't open it. Oh, it says believe. Ah! Okay, this is their information, but these are all businesses on Twitter, so I will put their links and Twitter handles in the description. This is probably the happiest I've been all day, honestly. Like, I don't know, it's a new year. New me. Yeah, I think I got a lip scrub. Handmade lip scrub. I think it's cherry. Ooh. Definitely cherry. I've never used lip scrub before, so I thought might as well try it. Now this package is from innrsoul. They're from Twitter also. I had to. I think I ordered a necklace. I'm gonna have to put them both on. I don't care. Oh dear. Hold on. Eee. Ah! There's jingle bells in there. I'm having fun, okay? Don't judge. How many jingle bells are there? Thanks for that. I appreciate it. Let's see what they made. Ooh, I got earrings too. Uh-oh, they got tangled. Ooh, it's pretty. And I got a little stone too. I think it's tiger's eye. I gotta look closer. I'm trying to learn crystals, but I'm trying to learn a lot of stuff. I'm a Gemini, so I got about 1,000 things going on all at once. Oh, I love it. I love them both. Good choices. Oh, I got a little snowflake. And I'm pretty sure this is tiger's eye. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, I'm still learning, so it's okay. That's what this year is about, is learning and being okay that you're learning. Now this one is from Enrique. I made it sound so bad. No, he rebranded, they rebranded, and they were Dark Crystal Moon, now they are Moon Wave it's a French name, French word. I'm not very good at speaking French, so I'll link them below because I got some stickers, and they put yeah, this is his old business name, but I will link everything down below. And then there's some other business cards in here. I have to check them out. What was I doing? I didn't even read the note. I was like shocked at all the cards. Yes, I will love it, Enrique. I love you. You're an amazing person. Oh, I think that's what I ordered though. Maybe it is. I know I got an amethyst, but it was a rough amethyst. So I think it might be in this package. I love crystals. Yep, beautiful. It is beautiful. Perfect. And I got some extra crystals. These are tumbles though. And they included the Chiron amethyst, I believe. I was just looking at those today, actually. That's weird. Because the pet store I go to get my mice from sells crystals. This is a rose quartz. Enrique. Oh no, I dropped it. Ooh. Am I surprised? No. Yes. Aww. Included little things to explain what they are. Oh, I didn't even put on the earrings. Oh my goodness. Now, if I wasn't fucking stupid, let's see. Okay. These are cool. I really like the end part. It's cool as hell. I haven't had earrings in forever, other than my normal ones. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I might give up. Oh no, maybe not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give up. I can't put them in without seeing what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, let me grab my rose quartz. I have to do laundry. But yay! She took a hit. Oh no. It's okay. Let's do a recap of what I got. I'm wearing half of what I got. Okay, Vanessa, I got this pretty necklace with butterflies. And then Amber, I got some lip scrub. Cherry, it smells delicious and strong. Okay, I lost the rough amethyst in this. It's a disaster. Oh, I found it. Okay. This is what I got from Enrique. I'm just dropping everything today. Ah! I give up. Okay, this is what I ordered. It's a beautiful rough amethyst. And then I got some extras. Beautiful. I love this one so much. So thank you. And I'm surprised I don't know innrsoul's name. I am so sorry. I'm addressing everyone by first names here. Because I don't want to get the pronouns wrong. I should have checked, but this is kind of like impulsive. I'm like, I'm going to do this now or I'm not going to do it. And here I am. I'm sorry if I misgendered you. I'm really sorry. But I ordered this from innrsoul. I feel like I should know their name. I don't talk to them that much on Twitter. I mean, I love their work and everything, but I don't talk to them that much. And I got these free earrings too. And that tiger's eye. I think it's tiger's eye. I think so. Okay. So, if you got this far, thanks for watching. I'm a hot mess. So are my bangs. Why did I get bangs? I always regret it. And innrsoul, thanks for the jingle bells. It was a nice little surprise. I loved it. So I'm going to link everyone's stuff down below. And yeah, I'm hoping to do more YouTube videos in the future. I hope. There's no guarantee because I'm going to be starting school in February and working full time. So I might not have time for much. But hopefully I can do more small business hauls and maybe do some feeding videos. I don't know. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Support these small artists. I'm a small businesses artist. I do have a business too. I haven't been making, I don't know. I just haven't felt inspired. I've been I haven't been taking my medication like I'm supposed to, and stuff that I did in March has been affecting me. So I think that's kind of where I fell off, is in March, April. And so I'm kind of dealing with it now, unfortunately. But so yeah, I'll probably make a video about that eventually when I'm ready to talk about it. It's a lot to unpack, so yeah. Bye.